Hello everyone, let's visit a very wonderful science exhibition organized by the Evergreen Public School Delhi.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We will explore the formation of Poland and its impact nowadays. So, millions of years ago, our Earth was filled with green forests during the Coniferous period and trees and trunks. And as the time passed, those trunks buried in soil, immense heat and pressure, and it led to the formation of coal. So, and it led to the formation of an industrial revolution and in electricity generation. And the nation which adopted the use of coal is leading to economic superpowers. But however, it helps a lot. But now it is leading to pollution, acid rain, and global warming. And it is making our earth darker and wetter. So now it is our duty to make our earth brighter and cleaner by using sustainability, solar energy, and vehicles by use of electricity. So let's do sustainability and make our earth brighter in the future by use of sustainability.
Good morning, sir. I am going to exhibit a wondrous model of the human digestive system. So there are two sides, the left side and the right side. But before understanding these structures, we have to understand about the human digestive system. So before starting, we should see how the food processes into the body. So if I put the food inside the mouth and push it inside the body, you can see that the food goes here into this in the form of excreted waste.
Okay.
So the mouth takes in the food we eat, and then it has glands like the parotid to make the food moist and absorb some nutrients from it. Then the food passes into the esophagus, which is a long tube without any digestion process. When the food passes into the stomach, as you can see by the tubes. In the stomach, there are hydrochloric acid and different enzymes, so that the food is made in a thick form and the germs are killed that are present in the food yet after cooking. Then the food is passed to the small intestine, which gets some secretions from the liver, pancreas, etc. The liver produces bile juice, but the pancreas secretes the pancreatic juices, which help to absorb some nutrients from the food. Then the food passes into the large intestine, from where the excess water and some salts are absorbed from the food and then are removed from the body through the rectum. So you might be thinking how the right side, which is the affected system, related to the digestive system. So first we have to understand how this system is affected. So the main victim of this affection is the climate change. You can see there are several damages in the body due to the climate changes. So the climate changes can cause to the contamination of food and water we eat and drink regularly. Then the toxins present in the food can cause to damages like the swollen stomach, damaged liver, etc. These damages can largely affect our body like diarrhea, etc. diseases. So we should always remember to eat clean and potable food and water in our regular days. And we should always remember the water intake improperly can cause to the drying or cramping up of the esophagus. Thank you.
Great. Just explain me how to make my liver very strong. Yeah.
So you can see the labels here: pollution and toxins, liver stress. And here you can also see the pollution and toxins cause to the liver stress. So it concludes that we should not consume some toxins. That means you should always boil the water first before drinking, and always ensure that the food you are eating is clean.
Okay.
And you should, if it is not really good, so you can take some medicines for the curing of your liver.
Okay. Don't think alcohol is harmful for our liver?
Yes.
So why not you have explained here? You should add one.
Because the toxins is alcohol.
Okay, okay, okay.
Because the alcohol comes in the toxins.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Good.
हमने तो बोला कि अगर नीचे हो गया तो नहीं कर सकते।
Sad.
लाइक सीरियस अगेन एट सॉइल एंड क्योंकि पहली बार ही हो रहा है दिल्ली की रश हीट वाले मैं तो इंस्टाग्राम पे अरे हाँ 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 मैंने पहले डाली है क्रिकेट चलती है lot of things to make it brighter, and it's our responsibility to make our balance and clean and bright. So we are using solar energy, sustainability to make our future bright. So let's use sustainability to make our future brighter and safer.
मैंने क्लास 10 का फर्स्ट ईयर ये हम लोग 10th के और हमारे को ये हमारा बच्चा का ग्रुप है और आप यहाँ पर डाउट सॉल्व कर सकते हैं अपने। और आपको हर सैटरडे को एक क्लास का लिंक मिलेगा, लाइव क्लास होगी वो हर सैटरडे को होती है 12 o'clock, जहाँ पर आप सीख सकते हैं और इसको बनाना हर सैटरडे होती है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। अगर आप हमारी सीख देंगे तो आपको लाइफ टाइम कोई ऐसा लिमिटेड पीरियड नहीं है लाइफ टाइम आपको। और कभी कभार पैसे गेस्ट वगैरह होते हैं तो कॉलेज के फेस्टिवल स्कूल IIT ऐसे बड़े बड़े जगह हमारी क्लासेस बनाते हैं और आपको 200+ बच्चों को एजुकेशन ऑलरेडी फ्री सोलर पैनल है और उससे आप उसके सोलर पैनल से सूरज जी मैम। और अगर आपको लाइक इनकम का इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता तो आप इस बुक ले सकते हैं, कोडिंग की बुक है ये। इससे आप यहाँ पर आप जैसे वेबसाइट मैंने चैटबॉट बनाया, मैं गारंटी देता हूँ मेरे बच्चे ये कोर्स सॉल्व करेगा। प्लस आपको 7 प्रीमेड वेबसाइट्स मिलेंगी, मतलब 7 ऐसी वेबसाइट मिलेंगी जो ऑलरेडी कोडेड है, वो बच्चा आपका एनालाइज करेगा।
What is the technology behind it?
15 क्वेश्चन
Basic coding behind it.
How can
ये मैं गारंटी दे रहा हूँ, मेरे पढ़ लिया ये मैं गारंटी दे रहा हूँ।
चलो आ जाओ अब चलो
मेरे को मैं इनको दिखा के आ रहा हूँ।
देख रहे हैं इसमें अच्छा